Money transfer apps let you transfer cash from person to person, or from entity to entity, quickly, conveniently, cheaply, and securely. They simplify payments and also allow you to use a digital wallet to link your credit card or bank account. You can make electronic transactions and payments with just a few taps on a mobile device. With several money transfer apps that are now outside like PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and many others are very useful in quick online transactions. And so, the main figure on this video today will be Robinhood Markets. We will be talking about Robinhood, how it works and the important things to know about Robinhood Markets. We will be back after the short intro. Due to its no-fee business strategy and clean, user-friendly trading interface, Robinhood has evolved to become a very well-known brand among tech-savvy investors and new traders since it first disrupted the brokerage market. Robinhood Markets is an American financial services company that enables commission-free trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. Robinhood had 15.9 million monthly active users as of March 2022, and 22.8 million funded accounts. The brokerage provides cryptocurrency trading, making it a viable option for consumers seeking commission-free trading of assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Additionally, Robinhood has introduced a cash card that offers bonuses ranging from 10% to 100% and up to 8% cash back at participating retailers. Even with these amazing features, some people still question this platform with doubts about their liability and how secure they are due to continuous modification of their platform and some limited features they provide. Is Robinhood Markets safe? Yes, Robinhood is subject to regulation by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, much like other stockbrokers, and it belongs to the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. The Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC, also offers protection for Robinhood accounts up to $500,000 for securities and $250,000 for cash. It's crucial to note that the SIPC protection will not apply to any Bitcoin assets a Robinhood client may own. Additionally, the company has a history of service interruptions and depends on PFOF for revenue, which some believe creates a conflict of interest. And so, this is all we will show you for now. But we have reserved some more content in our written article that has been provided in the description below. And so, this is the end of this tutorial video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell to receive frequent updates from all uploaded videos in this channel.